Prince Harry may be in for some very tough times over his visa if Donald Trump wins the U.S. presidential election, Nigel Farage has warned. Mr. Farage, speaking from the U.S. not long after an interview with Mr. Trump at his Mar-a-Lago mansion, said he and the 45th President of the United States had discussed the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, among a range of other topics. The former Brexit Party leader told GB News on Monday, March 18, "I have a feeling that if he becomes president there'll be a re-examination of what Harry said on his visa forms. Did he admit to taking LSD-style mushrooms? Did he admit to taking cocaine and cannabis? Because if he did, well, he should not have had an American visa." So maybe some very tough times for Prince Harry coming up if Trump gets back on November 7. Prince Harry revealed in his best-selling memoir Spare that he had taken cannabis, cocaine and magic mushrooms, in what may or may not be an apparent violation of U.S. visa rule. Conservative think tank, the Heritage Foundation, wants Harry's papers to be released as part of a Freedom on Information request it submitted in 2023. The Department for Homeland Security, DHS, wants to prevent the Duke's immigration documents from being published. A judge in the United States earlier this month ordered the U.S. government to hand over Harry's visa application. Judge Carl Nichols is believed to be considering whether or not the documents should be made public. He is reported to have ordered the DHS to lay out the immigration papers' contents and explain what particular harm the disclosure would cause. The DHS has until Thursday, March 21, to outline what records it is withholding and the particular harm which would result from the disclosure. The Heritage Foundation alleges Harry's drug use should have disqualified him by federal law from entering the U.S. A lawyer acting for the DHS said in February that the apparent admissions of drug use in Spare could have been embellished to sell books. Farage, the Trump interview will be on GB News at 7 p.m. on Tuesday, March 19. The 2024 U.S. presidential election is scheduled to be held on Tuesday, November 5.